Tayo weche mag omenda ma ichulo bang' retire miluongo ni Retirement Benefits Authority wacho ni atamalo 74 mag jogo matiyo onge kod kit keno moro amora mar retire. Kaluwore kod achiel kuom opisas mag duolno, jo Kenya maromo milion 7 ema oikore ne retire kokalo e kungo. Kaka yo mar jiwo kungo ne retire, jagoro mongirore migawo mar omenda Chris Kipto wacho ni piny owacho koro golo oko osuru ne omenda mag retire.
To indicate that we have 1,032 pension funds in Kenya today, with membership of 7.2 accounts, but the active accounts are 4.5 million. If you translate this to the labor force, we have a labor force of about 28 million and an unemployed population of 19 million, but the only people who are saving for retirement are in the space of 4 million or thereabout, actively.
And these are the reforms that we managed to have last year. One is that all pension payments are now exempt from taxation. This is both monthly pensions, whether they are lump sum or gratuity. Isn't that progress? Because by exempting you, it means you have 30% additional income to you. Number two is that contribution to a post-retirement medical fund is now tax-free, subject to a limit of 15,000 shillings per month. So you can get into a medical fund. If you want to contribute to a pension, contribute to a pension scheme, we have now raised it from 20,000 to 30,000 shillings per month, or 240,000 shillings per year to 360,000 per year.